Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to be doing an overview for the Xbox 360 wireless network adapter. It's compatible with A, B, and G home networks, but before I go any further, we're going to have an Amazon link in the description below for this specific Wi-Fi adapter, which is not only the most affordable, but it's actually Amazon choice when you search for Xbox 360 Wi-Fi adapter. So this is the one to go to if you're trying to get online without having to plug in an Ethernet cable directly to your modem, which can either be a huge pain if you have to wire through your house or you're just in a different room altogether. This is the solution for you. I'm just going to get straight into it. So just by looking at it, it is compact. It's got a high performance design. It's got a bunch of serial numbers on the back, some vault ratings and all this stuff, but you'll notice that it has two clips. I don't have my Xbox in front of me, but what happens is you can literally clip this directly in the back of the Xbox, and they had engineered that at Microsoft to where you could actually put this in the back, so they thought of this ahead of time as an add-on, as well as other things that you can put in those clips. Now, it plugs in with the USB, which is a couple ports on your 360 that it can go right into. It's got a Wi-Fi antenna that folds. That's kind of nice. And what else we got here? It's ideal for larger homes, multiple rooms, and congested wireless environments. So if you have like Wi-Fi printers and stuff, it's not going to get in the way of this connecting to your modem. It works with 802.11a, 802.11b, and 802.11g wireless routers and access points. It's dual band 5 gigahertz and 2.5 gigahertz wireless signals, and that's basically it. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's plug and play, puts you online, gets you access to internet, Xbox Live, Netflix, whatever you're trying to do with your Xbox. And I'm just going to read off a couple of comments for this thing from Amazon, which, by the way, there's going to be a link in the description below to buy this if you're looking for the link. And I'll also have eBay links if you're looking for price comparison as well. So check out the description below. Let's read a couple of things off that I think you guys might find interesting. Oh, one more thing. You can buy them used for like a quarter of a price of the new one. So if you want to check that out too, you might be able to save a few bucks. Is this adapter another device like a PC? Works only, you can't use it on a PC. It's only for Xbox 360. I actually tried testing that out just now. What else we got here? I know there's a couple of things. Doesn't need an installation disk. It should install when you plug it in. Otherwise, it will go to the Wi-Fi menu on the Xbox and just follow the instructions. What else we got here? I thought there was a couple of things on here. People say, I get mixed things that people say it works for Xbox One. I'm not sure. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments below if that's actually true. I thought the Xbox One had a built-in, but I do not know. Plug and play. It's pretty self-explanatory. Can you use it for the internet? Yes. Wi-Fi. That's my knowledge. USB port of the console. Yeah, I pretty much covered all this stuff, all these questions. Yep, that's pretty much it. Get yourself one today. Chmelaeon.com is out. Be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com. We have tons of different electronics, everything from Wi-Fi routers all the way to tube amplifiers, and even Wi-Fi routers like this. But the Amazon link will be in the description below for this specific Wi-Fi adapter, which is Amazon choice, which is the best one that I could find. Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.